Okay, so there's something wrong with this getting passed through then. Uh, 37. CS 37 apparently is an issue there. Let's get something started on this.
This kitchen is so hard to clean. If only there was an easier way.
No render attached to enemy underscore bot. Okay.
Hello, motherfucker.
Oh, hello. Thank you very much for the hello, motherfucker, whoever that was. Appreciate it, buddy. Appreciate those bits. How are we doing today? Will this anonymous entity reveal himself? Ah, Tokyo. Definitely wasn't you. Definitely wasn't you. I'm sure it wasn't. How you doing, Toki? Oh, my neck. Ouch. Hi. Yeah, I'm good. I'm chilling. Just doing some Uni work, learning Unity, learning C#. Although admittedly, not much in terms of learning C#. It's pretty much the same as C++. How's the girlfriend? Girlfriend, how are you? Yeah, both doing work. Yeah, exactly. I'm currently still learning how fucking scripting stuff works in fucking Unity. Which is interesting. As I said, yeah, I'm good. I'm chill. Just not much really going on. Oh, excuse me. I'm dying. Let's try that. Charity streams end up really fucking well. Honestly, Tokyo, I did try to give you a big thanks where I could, because one of your guys that came by dropped like $65 in bits, which is fucking crazy. I mean, I think another guy dropped, I don't know, like $20 for me that he wanted me to have. Yeah, fetch, exactly. And then he also dropped $20. Well, Corbin as well. Yeah, it was both those dudes. Fetch dropped 65,000 bits. I think 6,500 bits. Corbin gave me $20 for myself to keep and $20 for charity. Overall, though, we managed to raise £219, which is crazy. They're constantly your top donos. I'm not surprised. Jesus Christ, those guys are super amazing people. It was really lovely. In fact, the day that I think Fetch put down that dono, I was just in like tears by the end of the day because we'd more than smashed the target. It was amazing. Corbin's your best friend and Fetch is another streamer. Oh, fair enough. Yeah, I think I remember giving Fetch my Prime sub because I was gonna save it, admittedly. For a dude I know that's like getting his affiliate to, but I was like, fuck it. There's only one way I can repay you for like repay Fetched for it, and I was like, I dropped him a Prime sub. Amazing people, definitely. I agree. Thank you so much for helping with everything at Tokyo, and for letting me basically spam the fuck out your self promo. It's helped out a lot. So what you been up to lately? Besides streaming and stuff, or just like even actually including streaming as well. What have you been up to? Okay, let's see if this works. Okay. Added, removed. Okay, added, removed. Added, removed. Very nice. If I keep him in my screen, when I look away, he's removed. Looking at him, he's added. Look away, he's removed. Interesting, that's good. Derek Bumsink is filthy. Okay. Just so you know, this isn't a game I've made here. Okay, BRB. Sorry. Oh shit. No, it's fine, that's why it's there. You're good. Okay, bye bye. Oh, sorry, my chat was completely scrolled up for some reason. See you in a bit, Toki. Okay, cool. During the objects blocking its view. Physics.raycast. How does that work? Okay, so let's do this here. So find objects. So I don't actually want to be adding object. I'm actually going to make this private again. Private void. What I would do is a public update obj. Oh, public void object update obj. Game object obj. So physics dot raycast. Sorry? Oh, nice. Proud of you, Bubs. Okay, so apparently I need to do... I think I'm going to be going side by side here so I can read chat as well. Transform direction. Origin. Okay, so go from game object dot transform dot position obj dot transform dot position. If so, good morning, Lox. How you doing, buddy? If check invis objects. Or for me, it'd be good afternoon even as well. You good? Just doing some school? Fair play, buddy. Fair play. I'm just doing some school myself to some degree. Just doing a bit of a uni work, stroke studying and projecting and whatever, learning. Obj.
Derek Bum. Say goodbye to daily stains and dirty surfaces with new kitchen.
Add obj. Hang on. It may just be worth passing this along. Invis. Ooh. Oh, just so you know, guys, we do have some requests on at the moment. Obviously, if you're a sub, which you are right now, Lox, feel free to use !SR to request a song from YouTube, or like a video from YouTube or whatever that will get displayed on screen. It'll be put in the queue. I don't know when it'll play immediately after this, but subs get it for free. Non-subs have to pay $1 for every 100 seconds through the donation link below. So if you want to add some songs in the queue, dude, feel free. I'd much appreciate it as well, because it just gives some stuff in the background to do. Add obj. Obj. To be fair, I only really want to be checking this if it isn't already in here. Or if it is. So actually, either way, I still want to know if invis Oh dear. Oh, visible. Visible. Oh, blocks. Do you have to do that? You had to do that, didn't you, dude? Motherfucker. I should charge you for that one. Bool invis equals... Not invis obj equals... Check invis obj. Obj? Rem obj. Obj. Okay, cool. So what this will be doing is this will be checking, first of all, is this item even visible? It should be actually, now I think about it. It'll only be... Bool visible equals this. Motherfucker. How dare you? And I like to make it... To be fair, at least the song is actually a bop. I'm not gonna lie. It's a good song, but you're a motherfucker, I swear. So really, I should just do f objects dot update obj game object visible. Yeah, like that. Leave the rendering, leave all the other stuff to do on here. So in that case, it's just as simple as going this. Like that. Keep it a nice, simple update on their side. So that gets called through. Find objects gets called in update obj. So we go, is it visible? Yes. I guess either way this needs to be done, because I don't know if it's true or if it's in it or not. Do you know if I'll separate all of these bits out later. Okay, so what we'll actually do here chop this down to this. We'll cast that to a value just to make this as simple as possible. Okay, so the bool, actually no, ray hit equals bool ray hit equals false. Cool. So if visible, we do this. So we can then make it simpler. Ray hit equals this. And then we could just simply say if ray hit, if ray hit, hang on, if ray hit, if invis obj, we could just do it like this. No point having multi-line. Else if no, it should be else, and then it'd be if not invis obj. We'll just do. Oh, no, hang on. If ray hits, if it's not in the visible objects thing, do something, and then add it. If a ray hasn't been hit, and it is already in here, we can remove it. So we do rem obj, we do add obj. Okay. Oh. Careful. Careful, locks. Make sure you always put exclamation mark SR before the request. Actually, no, I do need these to oh fuck, I've screwed something up here. Okay, if re-hit, else, something like that. I think that's good. Locks, you still there, dude? Gotta be careful with links. Oh, very nice. Good idea, Isabel. Yeah, he's still here. You might want to try your song again, but make sure you put SR before it. That's fine, no worries. I have an idea for a song. I wonder if this will work. No, it doesn't work that way. Damn it. I was hoping maybe a song requesting might be a bit more intelligent. Bollocks. I was trying to add in We're Number One, but it didn't quite work out the way I intended it. Right. That's actually a decent song. I don't mind. That's a good song. I like it. I can never complain about that, dude. Okay, so. In this obj, this we go bool here, and then we're gonna print game object dot name. I love this song. Okay. Oh, good one as well. I'm loving it. Now, this is assuming that all of this works. So let's give it a go. For all we know, it may not work. No, this is wrong. Yeah, that's not right. No, this isn't my game. Just so you know, I'm taking someone's code for a game, and working my project into it right now. Yeah, I'm doing some code that's gonna like nab everything that's in the camera and give a textual description. See order of execution for event functions for information on fixed update and update related to physics queries. Dum dum da da dum 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 da dum dum.
Have a nice stream. I gotta go do some homework.
Cheers for the bits, Locks. I appreciate that, buddy. You get your homework done. Hopefully I'll see you later, buddy. We'll definitely have a good stream. Take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for stopping by. Wake up, today is another day to find you sighing away. I've been coming to take on me. Oh shit, I missed a few things, didn't I? Hang on a second. Things that you say, isn't a life of just to blame our worries away. You're all the things I've got to remember. My brain's a bit confused now. So I need to actually change this up a little bit here. Raycast, hit, int.
Tell me the duck story.
Bum bum bum, ba-dum ba-dum. A duck walked up to a lemonade stand and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, bum bum bum, got any grapes?" The man said, "No, we just sell lemonade, but it's cold and it's fresh and it's all homemade. Can I get you a glass?" The duck said, "I'll pass." Then he waddled away, waddle waddle, till the very next day. Bum 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 ba-dum. When the duck walked up to the lemonade stand and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, bum bum bum,
Out
got
hit.
any grapes?"
Math F
The
dot.
man said, "No, like I said yesterday. We just sell lemonade, okay? Why not give it a try?" The duck said, "Goodbye." Then
You're right,
he
Babs.
waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away,
Sorry?
waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Till the next day, bum, 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 ba-dum. When the duck walked up to the lemonade stand and he said to
You gotta work till 5.
running the stand, "Hey, bum, 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 got any grapes?" The man said, "Look, this is getting old. I mean, lemonade's all we've ever sold. Why not give it a go?" The duck said, "How about no?" Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Till the very next day, bum, 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 ba-dum. When the duck walked up to the lemonade
Player.
stand and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, bum, 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 got any grapes?" The man said, "That's it. If you don't stay away, duck, I'll glue you to a tree and leave you there all day stuck. So don't get too close." The duck said, "Adios." Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Till the very next day, bum, 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 ba-dum. When the duck walked up to the lemonade stand and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, bum, 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 got any glue?" "What?
So what was the point of it? It was
Got any glue? No, why would I? Oh, then one more question for you.
collect everything except layer 8.
Got any grapes?"
So we'll do everything except layer 9. Maybe that's what it
The man
is.
just stopped. Then he started to smile. He started to laugh. He laughed for a while. He said, "Come on, Doc. Let's walk to the store. I'll buy you some grapes, so you won't have to ask anymore."
But it's not visible right now.
So they walked to the store, and the man bought some grapes. He gave one to the duck, and the duck said, "No thanks. But you know what sounds good? It would make my day. Do you think this store? Do you think this store? Do you think this store has any lemonade?" Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle.
Something's not quite right here. Because that's going like it's visible even though it's not. Actually, maybe not. That's me being stupid. Game object obj.name is visible. Let's see how this one works. Okay, so I do need that extra math. So math f dot infinity bit shift the index of layer 8 to get a bit mask. This will cast rays only against colliders in layer 8. Oh, nice. I need to do... So if I do that, now will it be happy? It's going to do everything except for player. It doesn't work though. That's wrong. Except for level 9 even. So enemy hoverbot is on default. So what does this do then? So it's a direction, that's why. How does one do this? So this is wrong. This should be transform dot position, transform dot transform direction, vector free dot forward. Okay. This would actually be better when I think about it. If visible. Cut that. What's the problem here? I'm very confused. Not all code paths return a value. That's why. That makes sense. Okay, so let's just see what happens when we run this right now. Why is it misdrawing array? From start to world coordinates. Okay, so now we can see this happening from this perspective here. I get it. So now I need to do transdir. Object dot transform dot position minus object dot transform dot position. Let's just test this. That's not how you do that then, I guess. Transform. Hang on, let's look at this. It's no, it is a yeah. So it is a vector free. Vector free transdir. No, that's not right. Obj dot transform dot that should work. I think. Ah, my brain. So the distance here. Okay. Aha. So as long as they're in this, as long as he's in my rough area, it's only when. Okay, no, he's. Hang on. Cool. No longer need that printing element to it because it is working fine. Let's try it now. Okay, I don't even need to know if it hits or not because I can see it now. Okay, save. Let's try this. It's not been removed. That should be cold out right now. Out, hit, math.infinity. Layer mass, but that's the thing, it's like Okay, I guess that's because it's always going to immediately hit it. But what I really want is transfer dot transform direction, maybe? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. So it's hitting immediately, which it shouldn't be. I think it needs to be formed into this, maybe? Let's try doing this first. Transform dot position. Object transform mass transform. No. Normalized. There we go. So we do that. I think the direction will be right. And it should only start calculating array from here. Aha, now this can be occluded. This gets added. Nice. So now I've got 2 cases of... Right, okay, cool. Making some progress here. So, for some reason it's not removing things but it's not being seen. So, if visible... if invis_obj Let's save that. Try this out again. This is removed as soon as I can't see it anymore, which is good. But this isn't counting right now because it's able to. For some reason, it's counting this as able to see it. So, if visible. If physics.raycast, if it's not in the invisible object, invisible object, if it's not in invisible objects, add it. Oh, that's interesting. This isn't actually working, is it? Now I think about it. Because this is drawing it no matter what. Out here, layer mask. Oh wait, no, because it is hitting. It is hitting, but if it's hitting early, so really, I'm doing this slightly wrong. If So I don't actually need this bit here. I will need to copy this again, though. The raycast is going to happen either way, by the looks of things. Actually, no. I think about it. So let's do another thing here. Ray path to 3, ray path here. If ray path equals obj.transform position. Else. Boom. Like that. Try this. This might be what I needed. So I don't see it yet because it's not in my camera view. Ray gets drawn. It's currently in my camera view. I see it. Ah, it's not counting. Oh yeah, it wouldn't be that because that's just for path. That's just for distance. Vector ray path. Vector free hit pos equals. Actually, no. Will that just be hit dot point? Yeah. So it's hit point. If hit dot point save. Okay, cool. Now it should work as I'm intending. Oh, something's broken. Oh shit, nah. Save it. Okay, play. Okay, so it's not in the path yet, but I can see where it is roughly. It's currently drawing this ray. As soon as I see him, didn't work. Okay. That's fine. If hit dot point. Let me just double check this. Print dot point plus obj.transform.position. Transformed opposition. They're the same. Hit dot point. Bollocks. Okay. Oh no, it's because it's a raycast hit, that's why. If I cast Fist with vector 3, will it then count this as... Or will it count this as being real and proper? No, it doesn't. I can tell it's here. Transform dot vector 3 dot distance hit dot point obj dot transform dot position equals 0. What we'll do dist from obj, we'll even do it here. Float dist from obj equals this, semicolon, save it, please work. I didn't put in anything to save it, did I? Print dist from obj. Hang on. Maybe it's because it's... I'm not making a game. I've taken like the core sort of building blocks of a game, and I'm building a system that is able to describe everything in a 3D scene for you. So first of all, I'm just grabbing objects I can see. I'm sort of getting an idea of like being able to process them. So I'm working with some like ray casting right now. So we're just getting things working. So maybe this isn't quite the right one to do. Oh no, it's probably better to do, say, something like. Oh, so if I render it up bounds, obj, if obj dot bounds dot component in children. Hang on. Dot get component in children renderer renderer equals this. If geometry utility dot test planes AABB hang on, is there a better one? Dot oh, I don't want planes. I want to see if there's a collision. If that hang on. If renderer dot bounds dot contains intersects would be better. Intersects hit dot point. Yes. Dot contains but contains I guess intersects is contains would be better. Contains hit dot point. Let's try that. See if this works. So currently what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to draw a ray between the camera. Or trying to draw a ray between draw a ray from me, or from the camera's perspective, from a player to an entity, making sure like if I hit a wall, it doesn't go any further, and thus showing I can't see it. It is not in my kind of vision, because technically speaking, the way I'm doing it is I'm grabbing what is visible to the camera frustum thing, so all of this shit that's like going through walls, like over here-ish, because I'll be able to technically be able to see things through walls otherwise that way. And then first I'm grabbing all those objects that I can see that's in this little frustum bit, and then I'm checking to see if any walls are obscuring what I can see. I'm doing that by drawing a ray from this to that person or to that thing and seeing if it matches up or whatever. So let's see if this works. Assumably it should be. It's not working. It's probably because it's being run before anything else, now I think about it. I should really chuck this code into be seen, into the actor movement thing. Hang on. because they're moving too quickly. Let me just... Actually, no. If I take this, make their speed 0. Can I do that? Swap to next weapon, delay after weapon. Damage tick. Fuck's sake, I can't stop him moving. If I just untick it for now. Will that stop him moving? Yeah, that stops him moving. That's fine. Yeah, but that's breaking it by doing so. So turn you back on again. What happens if I try this? So it's in its assets, scripts, enemy mobile, CS. I bet that'll probably break if I try to run it again. Actually, no, it's disabled, so it doesn't do its thing anymore. Okay. You're not doing your thing. This ray is hitting you. Okay, there's something wrong in my code then right now. Still. Okay, find objects. Hit dot point equals obj dot position. Print obj dot transform dot position. Hit dot point. This transport position is very different. Where's the hit? It's definitely coming on the outside, isn't it? That's probably what the problem is. Will do. It's a map of like 0.1 though, I think. Why does that get further away the further away I get from him? Maybe hit the point's the wrong thing to be doing here. Maybe... ray path equals this. It is a vector 3. Ray path. Let's print ray path. What's the difference going on here? So that's the distance being done. So close I get. Let's kill that. Point equals ray path plus transform dot position. Maybe that's what it needs. Now you're going to be happy. Okay, so the trouble is it is just hitting the bounding box, which is fine. That's just one I wanted to hit. Okay, so let's simplify this again. So let's put this back to being hit point. Let's print obj dot transform dot bounds. No. Obj dot
podge.podge.com.
no. Shh.
Alright.
Don't be mean. Just double check it's doing the right thing right now. Control, save.
Can I ask you something?
Potentially. What do you want?
What do you want from the shop? Get you a couple of apples. Bread.
Don't mind.
Anything else? Oh, I've got my shoes on, yeah?
Chocolate?
No.
Thought not. More ice cream?
Oh, Harry, really?
Some bacon? You know exactly what I'll ask. I'll always ask for the horrible stuff.
Harry, can you ask for some more fruit or veg?
I would never ask for that, but I'll happily take it if you're going to get it for me.
Okay, but what will you actually eat? Should I get a couple of oranges as well, but like the big ones?
I will eat apples and bananas without a fuss. I'll eat oranges with a fuss.
What about grapes?
Grapes are okay, but I'd rather you didn't mix things up too much.
What do you mean mix things up?
You always like to change things up too much, but that's fine.
You like strawberries?
Yes, Izzy,
You
just
like cucumber?
Izzy, I've given you my preferences for fruits.
Alright.
I'm not doing this again.
No, but in first place. That was the problem.
Color dot unit. Okay, so. Surely. What's the difference between that and hit dot point? On this bit here. Oh, hit dot point's like wrong, very wrong. I wonder why a lot of it's wrong. Yeah, oh, no wonder why it's so. No wonder why it's so fucked. Okay. Path. Bye, love you. So, ray path plus transform dot position. Vector 3 hit point equals transform dot position plus ray path. Let's try printing that again. Still trying to figure out how the fuck this shit works. Still going down in that strange way. And I guess it's because it's the distance is wanting rather than the thing. Why is this increasing? Surely it shouldn't be increasing. Oh, I get it. It's because that's... Oh, that's because it's zeroed. No wonder why. We really want its inner box, its inner hitbox to be done. Okay. That's why, because his position is actually into the ground. So I'm gonna be hitting things like the floors, and that's gonna interrupt it. Which is why that makes sense. That makes so much sense. Okay. So ideally want is to actually be hitting that capsule. Which bit is its hits? What is it hits? Is its hitbox? So I actually need to find its collider. That's what I'm looking for. Rather than its position itself. Hang on a second. Let me just rewrite this quite a bit. So let us put vector 3 obs transpose equals this object dot get component in children Collider. Dot transform dot position. Like that. Cool. And then we're going to do obj transpose minus transform dot position. Normalized. Cool. Transdir is there. Ray path equals transdir times hit distance. And then we have dot point. Okay, so if we do this, this should be slightly better. Six point 6.5 1.7. So we get hit point at 6.0. Obj transpose is 6.5. Hit point is that as well. So hang on, let's get rid of this again. Because ray path is no longer needed. Just have it like this. Actually, no. I like ray path. We'll keep that anyways. We no longer need hit point because it's the same thing as fucking hit dot point. So its transposition is 6.5, 1.7, 0.0. So it's 0.5 out on the X. I guess as I move around, is that going to change? Yeah, it does a little bit. Just about. I'm guessing that it will be inside of its collider. Take this. Obj collider. Collider. Obj collider equals this. Like that. Boom. So if we just give us a quick reload, I may not even need to print this bit anymore. So let's say if obj collider dot contains bounds dot contains hit dot point. Let's try. This might work, this might not. We'll soon see. Oh shit, nice. Yes! But, okay, the trouble is this is not coming out of my view when I come out of the camera. So it works when I have something including it. So now I need a script part that's gonna Remove that when I look away from it. Okay, this is good. It's good. We're making some progress. Making some progress here. Stop. So, in the case where the ray is cast. Okay, so if it is visible, it's always visible because it's always going to be in the camera viewpoint. Okay, so if it's else, is that not happening then? Let's cut this out here a second. Else. Have a visible tag and that. See if that works. Okay, so it's visible right now. Not visible isn't being called. Okay. So I'm not losing that section. Now why is that? Why are we not getting to here? Be seen. Invisible renderer. Render.bounds. Calculate Preston Plains. Fairly certain all of those were in the case of visible. None of them were not visibles. And let me just see. Not. Yeah, there was not a single not visible called. Okay. Why? Bool visible. It's called here, so it is visible renderer. Just print visible for a sec. False. Okay, so that value is getting sent through. It's just having some trouble, I guess. Okay, so why? Oh, I know why. It's because if the raycast hits, otherwise it's not visible. So that's fine. It's because I don't have anything on the outside. this is removing it just fine. Okay, so if array casts, that's fine. Else, if it's not visible, print not visible. Is that all it was I needed to do? It might have been. Removed. Cool. Awesome. So wait, Ray can be cast. Oh god. We're having a few hiccups there. Don't know what's happened then. Okay, so removed. Okay. This is good. I like this. So let us pause that. That script works perfectly well. So what we want is the enemy hoverbot. FPS. Prefabs. Enemies. That should just in general have the be seen script. Same for this one. We'll just double check that this doesn't have extra one. Remove component, cool. And let's just test if we can have him mobile again and it still work before we chuck in a few more. Okay. I can't see the console. Console. It's removed. Added. Removed. Added. Removed. Added. Removed. That's fine. Terra added, removed, added, removed, added, removed. Awesome. Very nice. Okay. So we come here, I can see added, removed, added, removed, added, removed. Interesting that it doesn't get removed when it gets destroyed. That's something I need to edit in the script. That's fine. Enemy controller. that. Okay, awesome. So I'm curious about the walls. I want to reuse some of this code as well, if I can. So this is just dealing with the visible objects. I just want the walls to get a similar treatment as well. But I guess that could be as easy as, well, here. Hang on, so wait. If it hits, which it always will, okay. I think this is fine for all of the actors, but when it comes to like the physical environment, I maybe just want to add things for like, say, walls and floors. But admittedly, walls and floors. Okay. Oh, hang on, don't crash. Don't crash, please. Don't crash. Don't crash. Oh, hey, 6666 apparently. Views total. Interesting. So, add object. So we got 5 objects. Yeah, hello. Welcome. What is my visible environment? So I need to do something like just trying to think of the logic behind this. I see an entrance to a room. I see a floor. Floor's not too important in this scenario. Maybe if I just discovered doorways. What does this? What does this count as? It's a room, obviously, yeah. Done underscore wall underscore open. I guess maybe I could start off with just figuring out the room I'm in first. I'm in a room. There's a sign above an opening.
Can we put some Christmas music on?
Izzy, I told you can. There's no problem with it.
Out loud?
Yeah, if you want to. I'm not going to listen to it.
In your computer?
I don't mind. No, not on my computer.
Why not?
Because I'm in
It's the
here.
only CD player.
Well, that's your own fault that you didn't grab your CD player. Izzy, use Alexa or use YouTube or something. Currently using my computer.
Don't worry.
Plus, Izzy, I'm using my earphones.
Can you not have it playing out the speaker? And then have that coming in your earphones? Does it not do that?
Well, I'd rather not have things coming straight back into my microphone as well.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, but sorry, Bubs. I'm in a room. I see a medium-sized room. I'm in a room. I can see a medium-sized room. I can see an opening. I can see a door. Okay. As I can break it down bit by bit. So look at this. So that's good for prefabs. Level rooms. Level walls. Let me add a tag to this. So I'm actually going to have actually let's call this door. Door. Tag. Add a tag. be called window. Add a tag. Tag will be corner. Actually, no problem with the tags. Actually, untag all of these. For now. So I can just say, look for wall underscore door, for wall underscore window. Before any of that, I want to see how it handles a few of these guys out here. Let's try that. Just see if it causes any performance hitches. It doesn't. It's good. Last thing I should see was a bunch of I cannot see this. Why aren't any of the others working? Okay. Oh yeah, I need to build the nav mesh, that's why. So I need to do a couple of these. Here. Window. General. Navigation. Bake. Now try. Why am I not able to add enemies? That explains it. We don't actually have any paths to follow. So if we run this, we all follow a path. Cool. Let's just check the console. So a way to do this actually would be to grab the code. Be seen.
Fuck you.
What? Why?
I accidentally gifted a geode to someone, and then she was like, "What am I supposed to do with this?" Fucking give it back. I didn't even mean to give it to you, you bitch.
Lol.
Not lol. Not happy.
Big lol. Int object count equals Just see if that works. It should tell me constantly. Not constantly, but like. I see 2. Now I see 0. I can see all 5. I can still see 1, I can still see 2. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. That's fine. So it's a little bit of a crash, but it still works. Let's see what happens if I go in, see them all, kill them all. Oh shit. Come on. Nice. So, good. I should be able to see this. No hiccups, which is good. Okay. That seems good to me. I feel like I've done enough work. Oh. Izzy, would you like me to explain what it is I've been able to get up to?
Sorry?
Would you like me to explain what it is I've done?
Right now?
Yeah, would you be interested?
Okay.
Essentially what I've done so far is
Let's pause. Oh, I don't think it is. Oh, I didn't know it didn't pause on green chests. Oh, is it not paused again? What's going on with the game? You know, normally it flashes the time, doesn't it?
You're paused.
Why isn't it flashing the time?
I think you've frozen the game.
It's not frozen, it's the fire still moving. Oh well, it's not changing time, so...
So it's generally better if I showed you this at the same time. So what I've done is I've added some code to this to be able to find out to try and get a list of all. I've ultimately to get all sort of objects that are in view. But at the moment I'm not counting environment aspects, like walls, floors, whatever, as objects. I'm thinking more like entities at the moment. To get a list of everything that is in the camera view. And to do this, what I've done, if you have a look at, there's like two screens you should have a little look at here. Give me a second here. I realise I've kind of fucked up here. So I kind of want to do this. Okay, cool. If I put this over, say, here, that's the game, and this is the almost debug view in that sense. So if I hit play, if you ever look at the console down here, obviously ignore all of that shit. Wait, is it? No, it's not hit play yet. What you'll see at first is no, ignore me.
Harry?
Yeah.
Go back to my game until you've worked it out.
No, I've worked it out. No, it's working. It's working. It's just I need to show you the thing I'm trying to show you. Okay, so yeah, there we go. So you see that's the camera view. That's everything the camera can see. Now, what I've been working on the past hour and a bit is working out like a solution to. As you can see, these little wires go through the walls. So the camera view and what's being rendered means that, technically speaking, the camera can see all of these little drones that are like moving about. You know, those things there. I was trying not to give them alert to attack me. You see these little yellow lines? They're attempting to draw from the camera to these things to determine whether or not they are actually in view. And because it's hitting this wall, it's saying, I cannot see this right now. So, now I'm here, you can see a little bit of a count of how many of these things I can see at a time that aren't occluded. So basically, without something blocking it.
They listed in what's closest. They're changing order. Is it just which one's closest?
No, it's just it's counting how many I can see, because I can see currently I can see 1. I can see 1 again, but it was like 2 very briefly. But now I can see there's 3 of them, so it counts as 3.
Count
The count is only is arbitrary at the moment. It's just like it's basically
plus things that
no. All I have so far is just recognition of the enemy or whatever. So that way I'll be able to, because essentially what I have is I have this entity stored like this as well, in a little like a little box if you think of it, which I could then use to write a description, I guess. I'll be able to know where it is roughly. I'll be able to maybe do a positional description, depending on how the camera is. Obviously, got nothing to do with the walls and stuff, but it makes sense.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, isn't it? That's been a good 2.5 hours work.
Awesome.
Of getting used to Unity as well. Hey, Bio, how you doing? Jumped from stream to stream and you thought you'd say hello. Oh, good thing you're stopping in now, Bio, because we are actually going to be going into some games now. I've done enough work for the day and my head hurts. So if you bear with me like a little bit, and also what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the stream a quick restart to just ping people about me actually playing games now. Oh, by the way, we have some requests back on Bia, but unfortunately for you, it would require payments unless you are a sub right now. So, but probably a benefit and a downside of that in that case. But if you're nice, I might let you play a song that you want. Big brains make my brains hurt. Yeah, exactly. Oh God. I've been learning stuff and it hurts my head. So I'm thinking I want to play some video games now to let it all settle. Oh my God, I'm dying as well. And I feel like playing Stardew because that's a nice, calm, less brainy game, right, Izzy?